What's up, guys? So we're out here on the lake about to go give it a try. We don't have very long today, but we're gonna go give it a try. It's very cold, it's misting, water temperature is like it says on the graph right here 49. So I don't know if there's gonna be any fish biting, but we're gonna try. And I think what we're gonna be doing is throwing jigs on probably main lake points, because they're gonna be in that deep warm water coming up on those points. But I don't know what's gonna happen. We might catch them, we might not, so let's go give it a try. Don't lose it.
Coming up.
Oh, Dad, giant.
Real big? Get
Yeah,
the net. Get the
very
net,
big.
damn it.
Very big. Very
Here he
big.
comes. Here he comes, Colin. Get the net.
He's giant, Dad.
Oh.
Oh, yes.
God.
Oh my God. Nice.
Woo.
Oh,
Good boy.
that's a piece.
Wow, not too bad, huh?
Not
Look at
too
his
bad.
tail.
Not too bad. That's close to 6.
Oh my gosh. I didn't expect that.
He's just a bowling ball.
He is a bowling ball, isn't he? He's thick.
If he was longer.
If he was longer, he'd be a beast. Let's see.
Wait, 0 at first.
All right, 0.
Five, 4, 8. Nice.
God, he seems like he's so much bigger, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Hey,
That's what you get when you stick it out in the winter. Look at that. Oh yeah, his lips are pretty red on the jig. And look at that black tail. That is pretty. Look at that. Right off the road bed comes out, I think.
all right, here, come get this.
Look at this jig. Been fishing with it all day, and he picks it up and gets one. So guys, that was it. We only caught one fish. It was 5.5 pounds, which was awesome. It was very surprising, and nothing else. We had no other bites, and that was it. So very, I guess, it was a good day because we caught that big fish. But it is like 40 degrees right now, and the water's 49, and there's not much biting right now. But you can catch them right now, and we use jigs, just slow rolling on the bottom off of a old road bed, and that's how we caught him. So hope you guys enjoyed, hope you guys learned something. Thanks for watching.